In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Miro subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the cancel option, what to expect after you cancel, and a few tips to avoid common roadblocks. First, sign in to your Miro account and open any board. This simply gets you into the main workspace view, where you'll see the top navigation and your profile avatar. Make sure you're in the correct team or workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. The cancel option appears only for the team whose subscription you want to end. You can only cancel if there's an active paid subscription on that team, typically a business plan. If you're on a free plan or your trial has ended, the cancel button won't appear because there's nothing to cancel. That's expected, so don't worry if you don't see it in that case. Now, look to the top right of your screen and click your profile avatar. From the menu, go to the admin console or settings for the team you want to manage. If you don't see admin console, you might not have the right permissions. In that case, you'll need a team billing admin to follow these same steps. Inside the admin console or settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the billing section. This is where you'll find your plan details, invoices, and payment method. Scroll until you see billing actions. This area is where Miro places controls for plans changes, including cancellation. Click Cancel Subscription, then follow the prompts to confirm. You may be asked for a reason, and Miro will show you what changes when the plan ends. Typically, cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again. You should retain access to paid features until that end date, after which the workspace may be downgraded and some features will be restricted. If there are mission-critical boards or exports you need, handle those before the plan expires. If you don't see the cancel option, you're likely on a free plan, not the billing admin, or on a plan managed elsewhere. Double check you're in the right team, confirm there's an active subscription, and ensure you have billing permissions. If everything looks correct and the button is still missing, reach out to Miro support with your team details for help. That's it. Log in and open a board, go to your profile avatar, open the admin console or settings, head to billing, and use billing actions to cancel and confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process straightforward and stress-free.